Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Last time I was at the grocery store, chocolate was hard to come by except for all of the leftover Easter chocolate. So I bought a bunch of it thinking I could bake with it. And I made a really good milk chocolate cake that's already up on the channel. And today I'm going to make something that is, around our house, never had a name. And it just consists of salted peanuts, deep fried chow mein noodles, and chocolate. And it was something that I never remember our family making. It always just showed up in those cookie exchanges around the holidays. So I'm going to start out by melting this chocolate. Now I only put chocolate in here, but you could mix this up and do half and half chocolate and butterscotch chips. You could do peanut butter chips. You could put in peanut butter. You really could do any kind of meltable coating that you want. I chose chocolate because pretty much that's what I have, and I'm trying to use what we have in the house. Next in are the fried chow mein noodles, and we just mix those in to coat them with the chocolate. Next in, I'm putting salted peanuts. You could put any nut you like in here, whatever nut you have in your cupboard. And we just mix that in to coat everything together. And once everything is coated, you just scoop out a little bit. Now, I tend to make them too big, so I'm going to try and make them a little bit smaller. And look at that, failed miserably. Now, as these cool down, they will set and harden. So depending on where you live, you might want to stick them in the fridge or the freezer just to get them to cool down a little bit faster and make sure that they harden.
Ta-da.
Hey, Jules.
Hello, Glen. Hello, friends. Chocolatey treats.
What do you call them? We never had a name for them. It was, you know, those chow mein chocolate things or the noodly chocolate things or the...
Yeah, I, as a child, decided they were called cannonballs and cannons. I don't know why.
Well,
Maybe it was a trip to Old Fort Henry and then I had one. Who knows?
I can see that with the peanuts and the...
I was a little kid. I had a great imagination.
I mean... It's exactly what it's supposed to be, right? Mm-hmm. It's just comforting. It's simple, it's crunchy, it's chocolatey, puts a smile on your face. And I know that a lot of people right now need a smile on their face, which may not be these, but find what puts a smile on your face and make it.
And of course, you can put a lot of different stuff in this. Mm-hmm. You don't have to make them with these two things. You could put almonds or, because you're not melting it, right? You're just mixing it in. So anything that won't melt. So
put sprinkles on top.
You probably put M&Ms on top if you want.
Oh, that would be really, yeah.
Inside, sorry.
Yeah.
Because they don't really melt if it's cool enough. You could use pretzel sticks, right? Like all sorts of things. There's so many options. Mm-hmm. Have fun with it. I do have a friend who always makes them with sprinkles on top, colored sprinkles.
So take this basic method, take the proportions of whatever your chocolate weight is, half of that is the noodles, the chow mein noodles, and then add in other components. And you can add in the peanut butter when you're melting the chocolate. You can add in other types of chips as well.
Fruit
really,
bits?
Yeah. This is something that you can completely make your own.
Basically, if it doesn't melt in, if it melts, you can put it in with the chocolate. And if it doesn't melt, you can add it to the
Mix
chocolate.
it in. Yeah.
it's that
and it's
simple.
it's just that play between crunchy and salty and sweet. It's amazing. Thanks for stopping by. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you again soon.